it together. When you do, you put a cup of water, 1 inch of water. If it gets really, really light, that means it's good. See that? Put your volcano, then mix it, then pour it in, then put it on, and pull it off. That's how you make it. Pick up the bowl. Pour it in. Bottle it. Sit for 1 hour. First, we clean up, and then we flip it over. Then we wait. You take that plastic off. Nice and loose for you. Voila! Bang, bada, boom! And now we paint it! That's the funnest part. Look how beautiful that is. Nice and hard. So we're gonna decide how I made it. So cool. Do more. You can make it how you want to, okay? You don't have to listen to your parents. You need a cup full of water. Red and yellow make orange. How it should be, but you don't have to do it my style.
Nice.
It's good. All done. How good that looks. I'll show you at the end. I take these 2 packs and mix them in the cup. So this one's red. This one's gonna be and this one's white. It's gonna be pink. Pour 1 tablespoon, then pour it in. Slow. Might spill. That's why I have the plate. There we go.